Do you want to trace the source of AI's response? SkyPoint Copilot's user-friendly interface offers easy access to the unstructured data behind each response. Get started by logging into SkyPoint Copilot. Now enter your query or click on any available prompts to proceed. The Copilot generates response based on the information available. Next, navigate to the Sources button. Then click on the Sources link. This enables you to directly verify the source reference to answer the query. You can use the Search button to look up something specific, or feel free to scroll through the page to view complete information. And use the Toggle button to navigate through different pages. So, with just a few clicks, you can easily review the sources and confirm that the information is backed by data. This brings you to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.